This is the factor of safety calculator, which determines how much stronger a component is compared to the applied stress it experiences. Let's start with the input fields. First, enter applied stress. This is the actual stress your component experiences during operation. You can select your units from the drop-down menu with options for MPa, PSI, kPa, or PA. I'll use MPa for this demonstration. Next, enter yield strength. This is the stress level where permanent deformation begins. Again, choose your units from MPa, PSI, kPa, or PA, staying with MPa. Finally, enter ultimate strength, the maximum stress before failure, with the same unit options available. For our example, I'll enter 10 for applied stress, 10 for yield strength, and 10 for ultimate strength. After clicking Calculate Factor of Safety, we get two results. Factor of Safety yield equals 1.00, meaning our applied stress exactly matches the yield strength. Factor of Safety, ultimate also equals 1.00, indicating the applied stress matches the ultimate strength. Notice the warning message, low factor of safety, consider design modifications. This makes sense because a factor of 1.00 provides no safety margin whatsoever. Find the link in the description below.